All right, fellow gift givers and travel enthusiasts, are you staring down a birthday, holiday, or just a thinking of you moment for that wanderlust-stricken friend or family member? And are you also staring down a budget that says, hey, let's keep it under 50 bucks? Well, you've come to the right place. Forget those generic gift cards or another world's best traveler mug. We're diving deep into the Amazon jungle to unearth some truly fantastic, genuinely useful, and surprisingly affordable gifts for anyone who loves to hit the road, the skies, or the high seas. These aren't just cheap trinkets. These are game changers that will make their next adventure smoother, comfier, and a whole lot more fun. And yes, everything on this list is under that magical $50 mark. Let's get shopping. First up, let's talk about the eternal struggle, packing. It's a delicate art, often ending in a chaotic explosion of clothes. But fear not, because Amazon has solutions that won't break the bank. Consider the humble yet mighty packing cubes. These aren't just fancy bags. They're organizational superheroes. They compress clothes, separate dirty laundry from clean, and make finding that one specific shirt a breeze instead of a full-scale excavation. Your traveler will thank you when their suitcase isn't a black hole of crumpled fabric. Plus, they come in various sizes and colors, so you can even match them to their personality. It's like giving them a personal assistant for their luggage. Next, we have the portable luggage scale. Oh, the dread of the airport check-in counter, wondering if your bag has mysteriously gained 5 pounds overnight. This little gadget eliminates that anxiety entirely. It's small, lightweight, and incredibly accurate. Your traveler can weigh their bag before leaving home, avoiding those dreaded overweight baggage fees that can quickly ruin a budget. Well, it's a small investment that saves big headaches and even bigger money. Travel can be exhilarating, but let's be honest, it can also be exhausting. Long flights, bumpy bus rides, and unfamiliar beds can take their toll. That's why comfort is king, even when you're on the move. Enter the travel pillow and eye mask set. But not just any set. We're talking about those memory foam wonders that actually support your neck. Paired with a blackout eye mask, this duo transforms any cramped space into a personal relaxation zone. No more bobblehead naps or squinting against harsh cabin lights. This gift says, I care about your beauty sleep, even at 30,000 feet. It's a small luxury that makes a huge difference in arrival energy levels. Then there's the microfiber travel towel. Forget those bulky, slow-drying cotton towels that take up half your backpack. Microfiber towels are incredibly absorbent, dry in a flash, and fold down to practically nothing. They're perfect for hostels, beach trips, camping, or just having a quick drying option on hand. Your traveler will appreciate not having to lug around a damp, heavy towel, and their backpack will thank you for the extra space. In today's world, technology is an indispensable travel companion. But keeping devices charged and connected across different continents can be a puzzle. Luckily, Amazon has some clever solutions. First, the Universal Travel Adapter. This isn't just a plug. It's a passport to power in virtually any country. With multiple USB ports and interchangeable prongs, it's the only adapter your traveler will ever need. No more frantic searches for the right converter or carrying a bag full of different plugs. This single device simplifies charging everything from phones to cameras, making it an absolute must-have for international adventurers. And speaking of power, a portable power bank is an absolute lifesaver. Imagine being lost in a new city, your phone battery dies, and you can't access your map or call for help. Nightmare scenario, right? A high-capacity power bank ensures their devices stay charged, no matter how far they are from an outlet. It's peace of mind in a compact package, allowing them to capture every moment and navigate with confidence. Travel is about adventure, but it's also about staying safe and keeping your cool. These next few items are designed to do just that, offering practical solutions to common travel worries. An RFID blocking passport holder or wallet is a smart and stylish choice. In an age where digital theft is a real concern, protecting personal information is paramount. These holders prevent electronic pickpocketing, keeping passports and credit cards safe. It's a subtle layer of security that offers immense peace of mind. Plus, many come with extra slots for boarding passes and currency, keeping everything organized and easily accessible. It's practical protection with a touch of elegance. Finally, let's talk about the mini first aid kit. Because bumps, scrapes, and unexpected headaches don't take vacations. A compact kit with essentials like bandages, antiseptic wipes, pain relievers, and blister treatment is invaluable. It's the kind of gift that your traveler hopes they never have to use, but will be incredibly grateful for if they do. It shows you care about their well-being, even when they're thousands of miles away. It's a small kit with a huge impact on their comfort and safety. So there you have it, a treasure trove of fantastic budget-friendly gifts for the traveler in your life, all easily found on Amazon. From packing perfection to on-the-go comfort and smart tech, these items are sure to be a hit. Happy gifting, and may your traveler's next journey be their best one yet.